Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Hawaiian bowling shirts, the ultimate fun shirts for summer. Whether you're heading to a beach party or just want to add some flair to your wardrobe, these shirts claim to be the perfect blend of style and comfort. Let's see if they live up to the hype. These shirts are all about bringing that laid-back Hawaiian vibe wherever you go. Made from 100% polyester, they're lightweight, breathable, and designed to keep you cool even on the hottest days. The shirts feature a classic button-down style with short sleeves, perfect for casual outings or themed parties. To get a real-world perspective, we spoke with who's been wearing these shirts for a while now. They're fun, they're comfortable, and they always get attention wherever I go. So, are these Hawaiian bowling shirts worth it? If you're looking for a fun, stylish addition to your summer wardrobe, I'd say yes. They combine comfort with eye-catching designs that are sure to make you stand out. Just remember to pick the right size and embrace that laid-back Hawaiian spirit wherever you wear them. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.